Hey Gene, I see you've had some work done on your DNA. It looks great.
I went under some crazy protein synthesis surgery. I'll tell you all about it, but it's basically when cells generate new proteins broken down by the two steps of translation and transcription. Yeah, my nucleotides got changed around after some transcription. My A's paired with U's instead of T's, the T's paired to A's, and some C's and G's switched. These nucleotides were grouped in pairs of three, and when they were changed during transcription, the opposite groups of three were called anticodons. This was possible because the mRNA strands were able to copy the original DNA template. This was when the A's go to U's, the T's go to A's, the G's and C switch.
Yeah, well, you look great. What's that chain on your tail?
Oh, that's just my new Paul Yeh tail that came free with my transcription. I got a new pre-mRNA 5-cap2. That's how they modified my RNA after transcription.
Is that hat a fedora or a beret, Gene?
It's actually a 5-cap, idiot. It's from Mulan, and it protects me from degradation.
Did you get translated then?
You can't just ask people if they got translated.
Are you dumb? It's from transcription. If I got translated, I'd be an amino acid, and that isn't happening until next week.
Okay, well, how did you get transcribed? And what happens when you get translated?
It's a long story.
I got time, baby doll.
Okay, well, first the doctor began initiation in the cytoplasm room. Then this AUG start codon signaled the attachment of tRNA to me after we got transported to the RNA room, to the ribosome room. The walls are made of rRNA, which is essential for protein synthesis. The tRNA was just a code for something, I don't know. So after this initiation, the tRNA stuff that was coded was read and a new peptide was formed on the ribosome room I was in. The translation stuff is supposed to happen in a lot of different places in the ribosome room I was in. One part of the room, labeled P, holds tRNA with a polypeptide chain, and the A room has tRNA with the next amino acid, and the E room is the last room I'll be operated in.
So what are you doing after the surgery?
Well, I'm going to meet up with a bunch of amino acids formed by translation, and we'll make a polypeptide in the elongation room.
One last clarification. Where did the doctor know to stop when he was changing your DNA up and stuff? Couldn't he accidentally change your whole sequence?
Easy. He found my stop codon and cut off the polypeptide in the termination room.